Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can change colors in an image. So for example, let me show you. I have an image, and if I want to change these colors in this image, how I can do that? First of all, I need to go in Canva, and I'm using Canva free version. Now I need to upload that image file. Let me go here, and after that let me select the image, then add here. After that, click here use in a design, then select custom size, then you can easily select width and height of image, then create new design. So now if you want to change colors, then you can simply click on the image, and here you can see these are the colors that are available in this image. So for example, if you want to change this one, green color, then you can go here and you can select your desired colors, and here you can see colors are changing accordingly. If I move it, and you can also change remaining two colors. In this way you can easily change colors in your image files in Canva.